loosen to you. I loosen to you. I have a feeling there. And my sense thinking there is, don't move. So the point will more clearly. Even though I pull back. You see, I pull back first. Nothing. Mm-hmm. I song to you first. Then saying here, don't move. Oh, now you go very quickly. Is that. So you want song to him. Okay, now thinking you don't move. Just that. You song to my body and your sense thinking you don't move. Yes. Keep that always there. Yeah. So when you're there, you can move, but very lightly because you're still thinking the immovable point. Yes. Don't move. You see, I push you first. Nothing. Yes. I think you don't move. Okay, now. Okay, I push. I push there. You're thinking he don't move first. Then you push. Yes. Then you are feeling there a little tight there. You see, a little tight, but to me it's little tight. To you, very tight. That's different. I think you don't move. See, oh, it's that. I want dancing with you. I don't think you don't move. Yes. I think you don't move. Oh, you see, now I go away. Very lightly and very comfortable. Yes. And she must go. Because she don't move, you know? Yeah. Because you lock the feeling. Because thinking she's don't move. You go anywhere thinking she's don't move. Don't need pull. Don't move enough. Don't move. Don't need to do anything thinking she is don't move. Yes. Yes, don't move. Don't move point. Keep on her body. Don't pull him. Yes. You pull first. Yes. You don't move. I feel it. You see, looks like something stuck there. Yes, thinking he don't move. Just don't move. Don't do anything. Don't think in here. Yes. Thinking his body don't move. You see? Now you're thinking yourself too much. You see? Not me. You see, you don't move. I'm nothing. You're thinking don't move. You are nothing. Yes. You are nothing. He don't move. You are nothing. He's heavy. You're lightly. Just that. You see? You don't move, so I can feel in you. You see? You think he don't move, then you can feel in already touch there. Why he don't move? Because you lock him. You see, you don't move. You're just thinking he don't move. You see, you lock him so quickly. If you do the posture first, nothing. Yeah. So I think you don't move. I feel in lock you. Yeah, but no using the muscle power. Yeah. Just don't move. Where? Listen. More good. You pull back. Now, nothing. Yes. You are thinking, don't move. Yes. And your little pull, no power. Thinking he don't move. You are nothing, remember. Yes. Thinking he don't move. And you breathe out. Breathe out is don't forget don't move. Your breath must touch me. Your chi. Yes, but I don't move must 70%. 70% on my body don't move. Okay, now you first. Yes. You don't move first. I don't do anything. Yes, but keep on his body. Mm-hmm. You want he come 30%. Too much. You see, I'm too much. You see, 30%. And there is 70% don't move. Yes, you see? Feeling that. Okay, good.